I believe that God really favored Santras Properties and our project. Ang ganda ng panahon, hindi lang yung panahon na maganda, punong-puno ng mga homeowners. So all of these are graces, blessings from above, which made our project very much feasible. We practically made this project the mist because every day you'll experience a misty afternoon. This is situated on top of the hill. Practically, you will enjoy 360-degree view of Baguio City.
Hi, I'm Jocelyn Gatjahanorica. I'm investor of Santras. Nag-invest ako sa property kasi nagsimula kasi kami sa pinakamababa, very poor. Kumbaga, ayaw ko kasing maranasan ng mga anak ko. Gusto ko, pag matanda na kami, mayroon silang mailiwan na hindi sila manihira. Nagpapasalamat po ako sa Santras, naging secure ang future ng anak ko at lalong-lalo na ngayon may apo na 1 year old. At sana kung madagdagan man ang apo ko, na isasama po siya.
Welcome to the Beach Residences!